Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1973 Mustang Convertible. It's a beautiful little car, runs and drives fantastic. Finished in white with a white interior and a white top. So 302, power steering, power brakes. Sitting on the mag wheels. Came from the factory. This car really runs nice. Automatic transmission. Custom stereo. Training was just rebuilt too. Got about a little over 5,000 receipts on this car. Spoiler looks really nice. I like the Mach 1 hood too. Really sets it off. This is all painted and then cleared over. The hood is too functional. No spoiler on the bottom. Seats have been recovered as well. Dual exhaust. Showing 83,269 miles. Custom Alpine stereo. Set it up for you. Got some extra keys too. Power top. Really runs super nice. Nice dash. Looks pretty new. No rips or tears or anything like that. Custom Alpine stereo. C6 automatic transmission. Also have the boot too. Nice cruiser with the top down. .302 under the hood. Like I said, power steering, power brakes, brand new battery, brand new washer up front, which also works. Love that cooler on the power steering. It's neat. Tap and wire all tuned up, ready to go. 302 runs fantastic. Great motor, 5-liter. New alternator. Always been well maintained in garage. Love this Mach 1 hood, looks really nice on there. definitely a nice rumble to it. Take you around the block. Runs fantastic. Got some spare parts in the trunk too, like window felts. Runs nice and straight down the road. Brakes feel really good. Well, guys, thanks for joining us. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out my website, too. I probably took about 150 or so photos today. So, weebyautos.com.